good day. I'm Margie, and if you're new to my channel, I make lifestyle contents dito sa YouTube. And I also upload sa TikTok, Instagram, from time to time kapag sinipag. And we live here in California. We're a Filipino family. And I just wanted to share that because I feel like nung tinignan ko yung sa YouTube ko, ang daming nanonood ng mga hindi followers, and also I just wanted to share. And yeah, and I'm also a nursing student. I have a business in the Philippines, so mostly yun yung mga content ko na makikita nyo. And for today, magluluto tayo ng breakfast, and ang naisip kong lutuin is yung binili ng husband ko kahapon na lumpiang Shanghai na frozen naman. Ayan. So, from Seafood City lang to. And ito na lang yung lulutuin nating breakfast. I mean brunch. Brunch namin since madali. Anyway, ayun na nga. Yung chika ko sana sa inyo. Hindi ko kasi alam kung paano nag-work yung school system dito sa US when it comes to mga kinders and yan, daycare, ganyan. Hindi ko talaga alam kung paano siya nag-work kasi never pa naman pumasok sa ganun yung anak ko dito sa US. But we got a message yesterday na pwede na nga mag-school yung anak ko this coming school year for kindergarten, transitional kindergarten pa lang naman kasi bata pa siya. So yun, iniisip ko kung paano ba yung nag-work. Hindi ba siya pwedeng, kailangan ba tapusin yung the whole school year? Hindi pwede mag-skip ng classes. Like for example, uwi kami ng Pinas, ganyan, di ba siya pwedeng mag-stop for a while? Kailangan tuloy-tuloy ba yung classes, ganyan. So, medyo madami akong questions sa part na yun. So, kung may idea kayo paano nag-work yun, pa-share naman. And yun, and malapit na nga rin. Wait lang. Commercial break muna. Tumatalsik yung niluluto. I think that's enough na. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, yeah, that's enough. So, lutuin muna natin yan. And, ayun na nga, yung sinasabi ko, magsa-start na rin yung school ko and school ng anak ko. So, busy na naman tayo sa mga susunod na buwan. Yes?
What are you going to show me for my...
Yeah, you're gonna have an activity. So, bigyan ko muna siya ng activity for the morning. I'll give you an activity. So, bibigyan natin siya ng activity for today. And nakuha ko to sa internet. And ayan yung mga activities niya for today. Gagawin ko lang dito sa kanyang notebook. Ito yung kanyang activity notebook. Right? Okay. First, we're gonna do this. Okay. Are you excited na to do your activity?
Yeah.
Show them the picture. Your picture.
I'm gonna...
That's my wallpaper.
Yeah, and then my baby picture's back there. Yeah. Cute.
Okay, so now you're gonna write. I mean, you're gonna paste the Mama A and the baby A here. Okay? So, si Chloe, she knows na how to use the scissors, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Just open, cut.
And be careful lang, okay? So, ito yung ginawa namin for today. And drawing lang ako ng letter A na big letter and small letter A. And then, ipipaste niya dyan. Ito, ikakat muna niya and then she's gonna paste it here. Okay?
Yeah.
You have to cut it first and then you put a glue and then you paste it here. If does the big letter A belongs here or here?
Here.
Okay. So, you do that, okay?
What's this?
It's a decoration. That's the baby.
I don't want.
Oh, she's doing good. See that? She knows how to use the scissors. You like your activity?
Yeah.
And then she's gonna paste it here.
Paste.
Yeah, right there.
I
That's
did.
right. Yeah, that's right. You need to use a
I
glue.
already pasted it.
You need to use a glue.
What?
You need to use a glue.
Yeah.
Diba? It takes time and she's learning and napapractice pa yung hands.
How to bunga bunga.
Good job. You're doing good. So, ito naman yung ating niluluto. Kaya, ay, parang masusunog na siya. Okay, that's it na. So, this is it. Yan na yung breakfast natin. I mean brunch. And, I think maybe some eggs. Look at this, honey. You wanna eat this, right?
Wait, I know you're done here.
Yeah, for later. I'm still cooking. You're not yet done? Take your time.
Okay.
Diba, great ano siya. Maganda siyang activity for kids.
Try it for now, so you can write the letter A.
And actually, mga recycled na materials lang yung ginagamit namin sa activity namin. Minsan, mga karton, tas yan, mga papers na nire-reuse namin. Okay. You can eat brunch na egg and Shanghai. Is it hot pa? Oh no. This girl. Hey, don't finish all of it. That's not healthy, okay? Last one na yan, okay? Later naman. You can eat it later again, okay? Look at your lips. It's so greasy na. Full of oil. You can eat that later. That's the last one, okay? And then later you can eat it again, okay? Okay, because you gotta finish the activities. Yes? You understand? Okay.
It's not okay to
Look
make
at what
mistakes.
she's doing. Ooh, and her favorite glue. Just a little bit of glue lang. Okay, yeah.
Or how about a giant bit?
You like your activity?
How about when I don't like my activity?
What? I know you like it.
No, there's no.
It's okay. Oh, don't wipe it on your shirt. I'll give you a tissue. Is this one. And this is the next one. Yan. Lalagyan ng stripes yung bumblebee. Kukoloran ko lang. Or maybe I can ask her to color din ito. And she's cleaning her trolley. Busy yan siya tuwing morning kasi marami siyang chores and activities. And tayo naman, we are done cleaning na. Actually, we are not yet done pa pala. Ayan, ginagawa ko pa siya kasalukuyan. So, tinatanggal ko lahat yan and ilinisin natin and then magpapolish din ako ng papakita ko sa inyo. Asa na ba siya? Meron akong ginagamit dito na ayan, pang polish ng mga wooden cabinets and table. Ito, nabili ko lang to sa Home Depot. So, yan, magpapolish din tayo ng mga ito. And, yeah, gawin na muna natin siya. And, explain ko na sa kanya yung instruction and she's doing it na. You like it?
Yeah.
Is it hard?
No.
No. Do you know how to count the numbers? Because there's numbers here.
Yeah,
Right?
it's 2.
Yeah. Good job.
8.
Okay. So, magluluto naman ako na kinamatisan na pampano. So, yan yung pampano. And yan, hiwa lang tayo ng kamatis, luya, and sibuyas. Are you done?
Yeah.
Let's see if she did it right. Ooh, I'm gonna count the lines, okay? Yes, are you ready? Huh? What's with that face? Huh? Are you not sure of your work? Okay, let's count the lines. What number is this?
2.
How many lines did you do?
2.
Okay. Here?
4.
4. How many lines?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. This one?
6.
How many lines?
1.
No, start here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Good job. This one?
It's 1,
No, how many? What number is this?
8.
8, okay. Let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. Okay, good job.
7, 8.
Next one. This one is kind of tricky, huh? What number did I put here? 7. Okay, count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Mm-mm. No, these are the lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's 7.
7.
Mm-hmm. Next one is this one. How many numbers?
3. I know it's 3.
Okay, and it's 3. And this one, let's count this one.
1.
What? No, what number is this?
10.
Okay, 10.
1,
Go, faster.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good job! You did good. High five.
Didn't the rest?
High five. Yeah,
But then
we're
the-
done na. Yeah.
Yeah, but this.
It's the same. It's number 3. Both of them.
Why?
Alam nyo, may papakita ko sa inyo. Wait lang. Ito, papakita ko lang sa inyo yung nabili namin sa Costco for $15.99 ata or $14.99. Itong Dubai style chocolate. So, masarap kasi niya. Hindi ko sure kung na-vlog ko na ba to or what. Pero, hindi pa kasi ako nakatikim talaga ng Dubai chocolate na bar. Yung nag-trending noon. May nagbigay sa akin na tita ko na galing Dubai noon. Tapos, kinain ng kapatid ko. Hindi niya ako pinatikim. So, in short, hindi ko siya natikman lahat. Yung cake, yung mga chewy-chewy na yan. Hindi ko yan natikman lahat. So, we're gonna try this one. And
Mama, can you show something to the video?
this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. Yan. Ayan. Pag kinagat, medyo malaki siya. And then, ayan, medyo malaki siya. Yan siya. And then, may crunch. It's good.
Mine is better.
Meron siyang kunafa pistachio sa loob. May papakita daw siya sa inyo.
Today we got some snacks, so this is gonna be my snack. If I eat it, there's one of this. It's a strawberry. You see? If you eat it, it's gonna be super yummy. Mom, open it so I can show it to the video.
Okay.
Make
Oops.
here. When you bite it,
Okay, wait.
oh yummy.
Is it?
Yeah.
Can I have it?
Did you buy it? You're inside.
Ooh, a vlogger. You're a vlogger.
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, I'm gonna feed the fishies first. Okay?
I wanna feed
I
them.
need to feed them na.
I wanna feed them.
So they only eat once a day. And we're gonna feed them. Okay. We're gonna open Peach. Feed them to the What happened? Okay. Oh, where's the betta fish? Where's the betta fish? Hey, it stinks. You need to wash your hands. Tema ko dito sa aquarium namin, nagiging malabo na yung tubig niya every time pinifeed namin sila. Dahil dito sa food. So, kailangan ko bang palitan yung food nila or mali yung way ko ng pagpapakain. Once a day ko lang naman pinapakain. Ayan o. Malabo na siya. And there's my fishies. Where's the beta? The beta is right there sa likod. So there's 4 fishies inside the tank. Okay, so yung salamin ko yung malabo hindi yung camera. Anyway, while Chloe is taking a nap, maglilinis muna ako ng CR. So, nalinis ko na yung baba. 3 kasi yung CR dito sa bahay. Nalinis ko na yung sa baba Dito na tayo sa taas, yung 2 CR namin dito. And gamitin natin tong favorite na mga bathroom cleaners ko. Itong Zep. And foaming bleach. Yan. Ito yung CR na hindi namin masyado nagagamit kasi hindi pa napapalitan yung shower. So, yan, hindi siya nagagamit talaga. So, medyo light cleaning lang yung gagawin natin dito. Pero, I need to finish this na kasi may meeting kami mamaya sa Pinas. So, yeah. Okay, we are done na. Everything is clean. Everything is clean. Ang ayoko lang talaga sa mga CR dito sa US, bakit hindi mo pwedeng basain yung floor? Kumbaga wala siyang drain doon, no? Kasi hindi semento yung lapag, kahoy siya. So, maybe that's the reason why, but yeah, sa Pinas kasi pwede mong basain yung flooring ng CR, right? Okay, off to the next one. Doon naman tayo sa kabilang CR. Kasi hindi pa tayo tapos. Yeah. Kailangan ko na talagang magmadali dahil malapit na mag-start yung meeting. Maliligo pa ako and mag-ayos. Good morning, people! Another day, another vlog. So, 8 a.m. pa lang, pero maaga kami nagising and naliligo si Chloe. So, habang naliligo siya, gagawin ko muna tong ritual natin na pagli-laser ng facial hair. So, kailangan walang hair kapag ni-laser. So, linisin niyo muna yung area by shaving it. Of course, naghilamos na ako. And just shave it. Siguro ito ginagawa ko to every other day ko siyang ginagawa. So, atin lang natin yung protection. And of course, isaksak. Turn it on. And then adjust yung intensity. So, dito na tayo sa level 3. Kasi nang nakaraan level 2 lang tayo. Anyway, let's start. Ouch, parang ang sakit hindi ko kaya. Balik tayo sa tulang. Okay. May siyang nasusunog na buhok. Tapos medyo warm siya. Tapos parang pinipitik ka ng goma. Alam niyo yung feeling na gano'n. Pinipitik ka ng goma. Ganun lang naman yung feeling niya. Kayang-kaya naman kung mataas ang pain tolerance. Yun lang. Sinare ko lang sa inyo ang ating morning ritual after maghilamos. And then moisturizer, of course, from Good Molecules. Alam niyo ba, hindi na ako masyado nakakatulog lately dahil ang dami kong naiisip ko. Ano ba? Paano ko gagawin lahat? Nagsaschool ako and or diba ang daming ganap tapos may business pa. Minsan parang ano na yung isip ko, nababurn out. Kasi sobrang daming task na kailangan gawin sa maghapon. Minsan parang gusto ko na lang pumili ng isa na lang yung gagawin ko. Anyway, paliguan ko muna siya and then baba tayo.
Yeah, but I'm so sad because my fishy died.
It's because
Ow! My fishy died!
Ayan. So, ang brunch natin today ay pampano na kinamatisan. May ginger, kamatis, tapos sibuyas. Yun lang. Actually, kahapon ko pa yung niluto, pero di naman namin naubos. Kaya yun na lang yung brunch natin ulit today. Let's eat! Hey, little girl, honey. Eat.
Mom, wait, I'm preparing the balloons for the battlefish when he has her birthday.
Okay.
When we buy a new battlefish.
Serve brunch. And then, nagluto siya ng... Akala ko tortang talong. Diyos ko yung itsura. Ba't naging ganito? Na haggard yung ano. Meat. Ayan. Anyway, let's eat. Oo nga pala, update ko lang kayo dito sa fish tank namin. So, kahapon, linis kasi siya ng asawa ko. Hindi kasi siya nakikinig sa mga sinasabi ko sa kanya na hindi nga pwede ibalik agad kapag kakalinis mo lang. Tapos, binalik niya kaya isang isda na lang yung natira. Out of 5 na isda namin, isa na lang yung natira. So, lahat namatay yung 4 except sa beta fish. So, ayun na lang yung beta fish natitirang buhay. So, yun. Nilinis niya kasi medyo malabo na yung tubig. Nilinis niya. Anyway, ito ang activity naman ni Chloe for today is ayan. Ini-spell niya yung name niya here. And nagka-cut siya ng mga letters and she's gonna paste it here. Right?
How about not right?
Dahil ang haba ng pangalan niya and 10 linya yung gagawin niya, medyo mahaba-habang oras ang kailangan niya. So, she's actually busy right now.
Or not?
Are you busy and are you having fun?
How about I not?
Hey! Baka isipin nila I'm forcing you. I'm not forcing you. Siya actually ang nanghihingi ng mga activities na yan. Everyday yan ang hingi ng activities na ganyan. Part na kasi ng routine na kasanayan na niya. And, tayo naman ay we need to clean up here and cook dinner and all. Iniisip ko, mag-drive kaya kami mamaya. Kung aalis kami ni Chloe mamaya, that will be the first time na aalis kami dalawa. Ay, actually, hindi pala. Kasi when we move here, I was driving the car and si Chloe nakaupo sa akin. So, siguro second time na aalis ako na dalawa lang kami and kasama ko siya. Pero, akala mo naman na lahat ng pupuntahan. Diyan lang kami pupunta. Pwede nga lakarin eh. Gusto ko lang mag-drive with Chloe mamaya. Para, hala lang. Gusto ko lang lumabas para maiba naman yung ambience. Okay, so snack break habang naghihiwa ako ng mga gagamitin ko sa lulutuin. Kain muna tayo ng melon. Ang sarap, ang tamis.
Ang tamis
Tsaka super lambot.
Super lambot.
That's good.
Mom.
You want some? You want some? Okay. Finish what you're eating. Nabili ko sa Seafood City. Ang sarap. Ang sarap. Siya, ibabalik na siya sa fridge dahil nakadalawang slice na ako. And this little girl.
Mom, this is super soft. I can easily eat it.
And it's sweet, no? It's good. Refreshing.
I'm kind of creepy.
Ang sarap niya. Ang lamig din kasi nilagay ko siya sa fridge. And, yan. Sarap. Kakainin natin ulit yan mamaya. Dessert. Tuloy ko na tong aking paghihiwa. Iniisip ko magluto ng giniling sana. Magluluto sana ako ng giniling na may patatas kaso wala pala kaming carrots and tomato paste. Tingnan natin kung paano natin siyang isu-survive. Ang ating protein for the day. Okay, we are heading outside na and I'm gonna drive with Chloe. Nakaka-excite na nakakakaba din. Akala mo naman talaga dyan lang kami pupunta. Super lapit lang. Pero wala lang. Ako, hinakabahan ako. Tingnan nyo. Ang bilis ng tibok ng puso ko. Drink water, Chloe.
Wait!
It's super close lang yung pupuntahan namin. As in, malapit na malapit lang siya. Pero nilalakad nga lang namin yun. Pero gusto ko lang siya i-drive ngayon para makapag-practice lang, masanay, ganyan. So, let's go! Isasama ko kayo habang nag-drive tayo. Let's go, Nak!
Wait!
Are you ready na?
Wait! I'm going to
Okay, everything is turned off naman. Let's go!
I'll open it.
Go ahead na. Just wear sandals. Oh my God! Ah!
11 years old.
Kasi hindi na lang tayo maglakad. May pa-drive-drive pang nalalaman. Anyway, kailangan ma-conquer natin to para marami tayong magawa dito. Kasi masustuck tayo sa bahay kapag hindi natin nilabanan tong ating takot. Okay, let's go.
Mom, can we go buy some DIY toys? Because that's my favorite.
Let's check, okay? Let's see. Have you seen my shoes, Nak?
Just wear that.
Yeah, it's...
All the driving to the mall so you learn how to.
You good? Why is your face like that? Don't worry, okay? You're with Mom.
What if we are the other and then we're driving
Let's go, guys. In the garage, guys.
Stop sign and turn left onto Sweetwater Road. Turn right onto Sweetwater Road. Turn Vancouver Street.